Join me as I dive into the wild theory of whether we can actually destroy a black hole. Let's see if we can tackle this cosmic challenge. Black holes are one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring phenomena in the universe, warping the fabric of space and time with their intense gravitational pull. But have you ever stopped to think about what would happen if we could somehow destroy one of these cosmic monsters? The question of whether we can destroy a black hole is a daunting one, and it's a challenge that gets to the very heart of our understanding of physics. On the one hand, black holes are incredibly resilient objects that have survived for millions, even billions, of years. On the other hand, we're talking about objects that are so massive, so dense, and so powerful that they warp the fabric of space and time itself. It's hard to imagine a scenario in which we could possibly destroy something that's so fundamentally a part of the universe. One of the biggest challenges in destroying a black hole is that we don't really understand what's going on inside one. The laws of physics as we know them break down at the event horizon, the point of no return around a black hole. And once something crosses the event horizon, it's trapped forever, or at least until the black hole itself evaporates over billions of years through a process known as Hawking radiation. But until then, it's a black box, a region of spacetime that's completely inaccessible to us. And yet, despite these challenges, there are some theories and proposals that suggest it might be possible to destroy a black hole, or at least to manipulate it in some way. For example, some scientists have suggested that it might be possible to create a kind of exotic matter that has negative energy density, which could potentially be used to cancel out the gravitational pull of a black hole. It's a highly speculative idea, to be sure, but it's an interesting one, and it highlights just how much we still don't know about these enigmatic objects. Black holes are regions of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They're formed when massive stars collapse in on themselves, causing a massive amount of matter to be compressed into an infinitesimally small point. This creates an intense gravitational field that warps the fabric of spacetime, creating a boundary called the event horizon beyond which anything that enters cannot escape. The laws of physics that govern black holes are still not fully understood, and scientists are still working to develop a complete theory of quantum gravity that can explain how these objects behave. But despite the many mysteries that still surround black holes, we do know that they come in a range of sizes, from small, stellar mass black holes formed from the collapse of individual stars, to supermassive black holes found at the centers of galaxies, with masses millions or even billions of times that of the Sun. One of the most intriguing theories surrounding black holes is the idea that they could be portals to other universes or dimensions. This is still purely speculative, of course, but it's an idea that has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction fans alike. And it raises all sorts of interesting questions about the nature of reality and the interconnectedness of the universe. Now, let's talk about some of the most promising theories and proposals for destroying a black hole. One idea that's been floating around for a while is the idea of using antimatter to destroy a black hole. The idea is that if you were able to create a large enough amount of antimatter, you could potentially use it to cancel out the gravitational pull of the black hole, effectively destroying it. Another idea that's been proposed is the idea of using gravitational waves to disrupt the event horizon of a black hole. Gravitational waves are ripples in spacetime that are produced by massive, accelerating objects, and they were first detected directly in 2015 by the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. If we could somehow harness and manipulate these waves, it's possible that we could use them to disrupt the event horizon of a black hole and effectively destroy it. And then there's the idea of using a kind of cosmic string to manipulate the fabric of spacetime and destroy a black hole. Cosmic strings are hypothetical objects that are thought to have formed in the early universe, and they're essentially one-dimensional defects in spacetime. If we could somehow harness and manipulate these objects, it's possible that we could use them to destroy a black hole. In conclusion, the question of whether we can destroy a black hole is a complex and challenging one, and it's an area of ongoing research and debate. While we still don't know for sure whether it's possible to destroy a black hole, the theories and proposals that have been put forward are certainly intriguing, and they highlight just how much we still have to learn about these mysterious objects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more videos on space and cosmology, be sure to check out my other content and subscribe for more.